Hey, this is also another design that I want to show you on how to take your old style kitchen cabinetry and turn them into functional art. Instead of taking the whole entire door out, throw it away and just start over, is what I propose to do is to take a really cool piece of wood burning like this right here done by Fallen Embers from Northern Ireland, and take this piece right this thin attachment to the face of the cabinet, which will in essence give you a real nice functional piece of art. This is just an idea, an example of what you can do. We can turn this into virtually whatever you want.